So hello and welcome to another DJI Neo Drone video. Now today's video is actually answering a question that one of my subscribers asked me, and that question was, when it comes to flying the drone, what's best, 4K at 30 frames per second or 1080p at 60 frames per second? And I couldn't answer him because every time I've flown it, I've always flown it at 4K. So today I'm going to try both methods and you'll see for yourself which is best. Now today's video is going to be the 1080p at 60 frames and I'll do a follow-on video at 4K at 30 frames and you can decide for yourself. So let's get going. Let's do 1080p, 60 frames and let's check it out. So there you go, that was 1080p at 60 frames per second. What did you think? Basically, I've just flew it around 6 fields, over near Eaglescliffe and over Hartwell Woods, just for a bit of variation, just to see how we coped with that 60 frames, to see if it was smoother than 30 frames. But let us know in the comments what you thought of the video, what you thought of the footage itself. I'm going to be releasing a video right after this, so it'll probably be the next day, and that'll be all 4K at 30 frames per second, so you can check that one out and you can do a comparison between the two and let me know what you think is best, 1080p at 60 frames in this video or that video at 4K at 30 frames. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment below and subscribe to my channel. It helps me so much if you do. And I will see you in the next one for the 4K at 30 frames. Take care and bye-bye.